Let's have a quick look at what WordPress is. I'm here on WordPress.org, the site from where you can download this amazing software. I've been using WordPress for close to 10 years now. It's my go-to to create sites. Now, going down, we have a look and we see that WordPress is an open source software that's used to create, initially it was used to create blogs, but more and more it's used to create websites and apps. Again, it gives you the freedom as a developer, it gives you the freedom to build anything I want. And it's free, it's open source, and which means it's managed and built and trusted throughout the web. Around 40%, it's almost getting there, around 40% of the web uses WordPress. Now, some of the sites that use WordPress include the White House, Obama's own site, the Obama Foundation, as well as newspapers like the New York Post. More than 60 million users use WordPress to create their sites. The reason they do that is because, again, it's infinitely customizable, it's SEO friendly. Out of the box itself, it's quite good, but you add a few plugins and it becomes amazingly SEO friendly. You can create responsive mobile sites with it, particularly if you pair it with a very good theme like GeneratePress. We'll discuss that. It is highly performant. Some of these sites that I mentioned are massive and they need to be quite performant. And again, you can manage things on the go. You can edit your content or add published content on the go using your mobile. It's highly secure. And again, you can manage your content, which includes media. YouTube videos can be embedded quite easily, and it's thoroughly accessible. Another good feature with WordPress is with its longevity. Again, it's been around since 2003. With longevity comes the number of plugins that are available. Close to 55,000 plugins are available. And plugins like extending WordPress into an e-commerce platform using a plugin like WooCommerce or more. And again, the community is what makes WordPress as good as it is. Hundreds of thousands of developers, again, support this wonderful software. So over 60 million people are using it. So let's dive deep a little bit more. One of the other things you'll notice is the kind of companies using it. That includes Walt Disney, the Obama Foundation, Jane Goodall, Boston Market, newspapers, celebrities, educational institutions, technology firms, you name it. Everyone's using WordPress, including myself, and I've been using WordPress for a quite long time. And again, you can theme it, you can make it look the way you want. In this short course, we're going to cover off WordPress in quite a lot of detail. And I'm going to be using a local site that I've set up on my computer to do that. But again, my own website, as I'm showing you, vjdesign.com.au, is also built on WordPress. And this is where I'm going to end up hosting these tutorials, and possibly on YouTube as well. So, without further ado, let's dig into WordPress and what it is.